Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you through the process of accessing your Lloyds Bank online banking platform. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to begin, go to lloydsbank.com. Once on the page, locate the logon button at the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. Upon clicking, you can choose whether personal or business. Choose the one aligning with your account type. If you hold a personal Lloyds account, go ahead and select that option, leading us to the next step. In the process of logging into internet banking, you'll land on a page prompting you to input your Lloyds user ID and the password you selected during your online banking account setup. After entering this credential, click Continue, seamlessly logging you into your Lloyds online banking account. If you don't remember your user ID or password, click on Forgotten Your Logon Details button and follow the provided instruction to reset your user ID and password for your Lloyds account. And there we have it. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.